Today we will start with our unit 1, data warehouse. So what is data warehouse? A data warehouse is a subject oriented, integrated, time variant and non volatile collection of data in support of management's decision making process. So this is the definition by W.H. Ayman. So this subject oriented, integrated, time variant and non volatile are the features of the data warehouse. What is subject oriented? Subject oriented means the data warehouse is organized around the major subjects such as customers, sales, product. So these are the subjects around which we are building our data warehouse. So that is why it is called as the subject oriented. Then integrated means we are integrating multiple heterogeneous data sources like relational databases, flat files, online transaction records. So we are integrating all these data sources. That is what is called as the integrated. Third is time variant, means we are collecting the past historical data, means the data of last 5 to 10 years. So that is what is called as the time variant. And non-volatile means we are keeping the data into data warehouse which is not deleted. Okay, so that is what it is called as a non-volatile. Now we will say the difference between OLTP and OLAP. What is OLTP? Online transaction processing, which is our relational databases system which keeps the current day-to-day transactions, means online transaction and query processing. And OLAP is online analytical processing, means our data warehouse. So OLTP is used by the customer as well as clerks and all the persons, and OLAP is used only by the management persons or decision makers to make the decisions. Okay. Then OLTP, for OLTP we are using ER diagrams, entity relationship diagrams, where for OLAP we are using star, snowflake and fact constellation schemas. Okay, so the difference between OLTP and OLAP is users of the OLTP are clerks and IT professional, OLAP knowledge worker. Then functions of OLTP is day-to-day operations, while the OLAP is decision support. Then DB design is application oriented in OLTP. OLAP is built around the subjects like product, sales, customer. Usage of OLTP is repetitive. OLAP is ad hoc. Access in OLTP we can read as well as write, but in OLAP we can only read. Record accessed in OLTP are tens, but in OLAP we are accessing millions of records as we are keeping the historical data also. Number of users are thousands in OLTP, while OLAP is hundreds, because only management persons can access the OLAP. DB size of OLTP is 100 MB to GB, while the OLAP is 100 GB to terabytes. Okay, and metric is transaction throughput, while OLAP is query throughput or response. Okay, next topic will be explained in the next lecture.